Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. So in this tutorial I will show you guys how to resolve the issue with services.msc not opening or responding on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space and then /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard and begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it did find corrupt files and repaired them. Close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.